Alright, so in this haircut, we are going to cut the classic bob. Alright, so the very first thing I've done is I've taken a center section down the center of the back with two A-line sections, one on each side, right side, left side, and you can see right now I'm cutting in the outline. We're going to be bringing this outline up above the shoulders. You can see I'm combing the hair down, holding the hair in my comb and my fingers to establish this length. Once we have completed cutting this very first section, we will then have our guide for the rest of the haircut. Alright, so now I've got another A-line section on the left side, combing it straight down, and using that previous section, that underneath section, as my guide. And I'm going to work my way up the head, doing that all the way up. Once we've completed that, we will go ahead and blow dry the hair, and then we will be all done. Alright, so now that we've completed cutting the left side, it is now time to finish the right side. You can see I've got another A-line section that I'm combing straight down, using that underneath section as my guide. And right there, I am cutting the current section the same length of the previous section. Alright, not a whole lot to explain other than continuing to take A-line sections, working my way up the head, combing them down to the current section to complete the bob outline. Once we've completed the haircut process, it'll be time to blow dry and wrap up. Alright, so we've come to the end of the classic bob haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, Don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys for watching.